Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 63 Biscayne. This baby is set up with a 348 under the hood, built to 409 specs with the 409 horsepower specs. It's got dual fours on it, it's got 409 heads, it's got a 409 cam in it, it's got the X block. This thing is amazing, guys. It's got a slick black paint job on it, all the stainless, all the aluminum, all the chrome, everything. The emblems, beautiful. The car is amazing. It's got one little touch up there in the middle of the hood. All the lines are looking sweet. That hood's fitting amazing. All that stainless trim's looking good. Doors are fitting awesome. All the stainless looks good here. Check out the interior on this beauty. All stock and looking sweet, just like back in the day. This baby is almost as old as me by 1 year. This thing is sweet. That back seat looking awesome. Probably get about 8 people in that back seat. The headliner's looking good. The dash itself, man, it looks like an airplane. Look at that. Beautiful. All the paintwork in there is looking good. The car is beautiful. Grab some keys so we can check out the trunk. Look at that big long quarter panel there. Emblem looking good. Chrome on the back bumper. Taillight lens is looking great. Emblems looking great. Look at the reflections in that trunk lid. Just absolutely gorgeous. Get in the trunk here if I can figure out which key it is. There's only 2, it shouldn't be that hard. All right, I got the key now. Look at that trunk. Looks like 1963 in there, baby. And I tell you what, you want to talk about storage? There's some storage in there. You can go to Costco with this baby and load up. Look down the side of this black beauty. Straight as an arrow. She is gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this beautiful Biscayne. So you can bet we spent the time to check her out before we bought her. Then when we got it here to the showroom, we inspected it so we can answer all your questions. Right now we've got a little over 200 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. We buy between 40 and 50 new cars every month, so if you've got something for sale, don't hesitate to call. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now I've got about 25 to 30 years of experience in the business, and I'm going to put those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this Biscayne for a ride. We got big dual 4 power under the hood, ready to go. Man, my dad told me stories about these cars. He had a 61 Starliner with a 427 in it. He said the only car he was ever worried about was these Impalas and Biscaynes with these 409s in them. You know, there's a reason they wrote a song about the 409s. And yeah, I know this one's got a 348 in it, built up to be like a 409. But I tell you what, this thing will go. You put the hammer down, listen to those 4 barrels kick open. Now we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will explain to you how easy that process is. We can also help you out with financing. Tom will take care of all the paperwork for you. It's a real easy process. Look down here on the dash. The speedo's working, the tach's working. Look at that beautiful dash, man. I tell you what, I bet my dad probably had a pack of cigarettes laying on that dash if he had one of these. This thing is sweet, guys. Like I said, ship it anywhere in the world. Please come on in, check it out in person. We got over 200 cars in stock. Even though we sell most of our cars sight unseen, we love to have you come in and check it out in person. We do have 2 shops now. We got 80,000 square feet under roof. Got a bunch of cars to look at. We invite you to come check them out in person. We're close to the airport. We're open on Saturdays. Send an inspector if you'd like. And now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna check out that dual 4 setup sitting on top of that big old horsepower motor. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on this Biscayne. All right, we're underneath the 63 Biscayne now, and it is beautiful under here. You can see the trunk floor is solid as a rock, frame straight as an arrow, drop downs look good, exhaust is in good shape, rear end housing's in great shape. You can see they've added air shocks here, bushings look good. The brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good looking shape. It does have a sway bar. We got right around a 336 gear in here. It is Posi. It does have the P on the rear end housing here. That's pretty rare. It's got the X frame in here. Everything under here is nice and solid. You can see it looks like it's had floor pans put in it, and they did a beautiful job weld them in there and seam sealing them in. I tell you what, if you didn't know what you were looking for, you wouldn't even know it'd been done. Beautiful work there. Back sides of the rockers, nice and solid. Bottom sides of the rockers look good. Pinch weld looks good here. I mean, overall, bottom side of the car is looking great. We got a T-10 4-speed transmission here. Everything under here is nice and clean, looking sharp. We got drum brakes up front, and again, our guys here at the shop will pull the drum brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. Cross members in good shape. Car does have power steering on it. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Back side of the bumper's nice and clean. Chrome on the front bumper's looking sweet. Good looking wheels and tires. Got those nut covers on them there. Good looking paint on the wheels. Looks like 225/75 15s on the tires. You can see the bottom side of the rockers are nice and clean. That pinch weld looks good. Bottom side of the rockers are nicely painted. Out back here, we've got 225/75 15s back here too. You can see right down to the bottom edge of the front fender, looking sweet. Let's get under the hood and check out the power. All right, under the hood here, we do have the 348. It is the X block, so it's the improved block. It does have the 409 heads, so we have verified the casting number on the heads. Exhaust manifolds are the cast iron exhaust manifolds. They have coated them, it looks like, with some high heat paint here. Does have the dipstick over here on the 409 side. It does have the correct 409 carbs on it and intake. It's got the big pulley here on the alternator. It does have power brakes on it, does have power steering. Radiator's in great shape here. It does have a Delco battery. Inner wheel houses are nice and clean. Firewall's nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's got the coating on the bottom side here. Latch looks like it's been restored. The grill's in beautiful shape. Core support's in beautiful shape. I mean, overall, the car is amazing. And that air cleaner, I dare you to try to find one of those anywhere. You can see the front suspension looks like it's got a new alignment on it here. I see some fairly new alignment shims in there. You can see the body mounts are in good shape there. The frame's nice and straight. I mean, this is an amazing build here, guys. She's a 63. This 348's been built up like a 409. It's got those dual 4s on it. This is one cool car, guys, and it's a 4-speed. She's black and beautiful. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.